Hindi ko ma-figure out kung paano po palitan ng airflow direction ng AC. Please help me. Sige, Quinn Vince, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, sagutin natin. So you asked this question from one of our Toyota Veloz videos, no? And then I'm assuming that you also have a Toyota Veloz. So for this case, unfortunately, so sorry to break it to you, but our Toyota Veloz doesn't actually have any option to change this direction. Okay, I discussed that on the things that I don't like about the Toyota Veloz. So if you can see right here, isang direction lang talaga yung binubuga ng ating mga aircon vents. You can observe with other cars, you have the option to change it. May dito sa legs, and then both. It's supposed to be here sana, or I don't know, but they decided to not put that option with the Toyota Veloz. If you ask me, after 1 year of ownership, okay naman sa amin. And nga, it's a big deal for a lot of people. So at least I was able to warn yung mga bibili pa. So take note of that about the Toyota Veloz. So yeah, for those who wanna know more about the Toyota Veloz, go ahead to my YouTube channel. See you there.